go and have a picnic. You can do whatever.
Nice.
Take the little boat, you go out there and have a bottle of wine, eat stuff on the side, eat your lunch.
Yeah. It's like a picnic, right?
There's nice places there, they got tables on the shore.
So what is the both sides to buy here? This one or
You can't buy here.
This is
all
all brown
closed.
land.
no, the only